How you doing? So, what you doing? I hear you. I hear you.
Wants you to lick his pencil.
Where's your pencil? Is it in your pocket? Found the book. You need to shave your hair, funny boy. You're hard down there.
My turn.
I'm watching.
Hey.
Yeah, mama!
Come on. He's a little chilly. Here you go.
No, no. He's hurt down there. Don't poke you.
You better now, sir. Okay. We'll meet back here later. Don't fall. You nasty kangaroo.
Any last words, Jaiden? Courtney, any last words?
I have a shoe fetish.
You just sniffed his shoe. I wish you could see this from my point of view. It's funny.
Okay, hold on.
What?
Oh hey, I forgot my phone was in my bra. Did he poke you? Poked you in the boot?
He didn't get the hole.
He didn't get the hole. His pencil poked you, didn't it?
Yeah.
I hurt my foot from going
Maybe
on there.
I can step on him.
Look, I can be just like him.
Emma, don't dip me.
Look, scoot over. Scoot your boot. Alright, no, you have to tilt your head
I
this way.
can't see.
Pretty?
Hold on.
Is he smiling? Yeah, he's kind of grin there. He's all like, and then slump this right there. And you just, see how he's slumped? Yeah, oh, yeah. I just wish I had a bird nose like him to pull this off. You see that beak? That beak of his?
I can give you this tape that's on the back of here and you can just make one. Hold on.
Here we go. There's my bird nose.
No, hold on, you're gonna make one out of duct tape.
Yeah. Here, darling.
There you go.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
How was this?
You thought you were picking us out.
No, you did it with the other finger.
Put two up there. No, Jane,
Butt
put two.
itches.
No, Jane, put two. Go with this. It's very sticky.
There we go.
You guys look exactly
I
alike.
got the bird nose.
You guys look alike. And Jaden's just the weirdo.
Yeah, I wish you could. Here you go.
Just make him colorful. We're vandalizing him.
Stroke his beard.
Goatee, right? Oh my god, Jaden.
His butt story.
It's even funnier than me running into.
Oops! I folded the tape.
Okay, there are people coming. Maybe we should turn this off. Okay. Courtney,
Hey there.
Can we watch this?
we're turning this off now. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Wait, no.